If you have created video using Veo in Google Flow, you would know that you can only create videos up to 8 seconds, but I can show you how you can extend your video and create longer videos like this. Open the project that you want to expand and click on the Add to Scene button to the video that you have, which will open the scene builder for you. And here drag this cursor to the end of your video and click on this save frame as asset button, and after it's done uploading over here, you have to select your frame and then enter the extended version that you want. Like I want the woman to slowly walk out of the frame from the left side, so I'll enter that and hit enter and wait for the video creation. And now our video is extended and we can play to see that this is the extended video. Now we can either arrange these scenes by dragging them around, or we can download it using this download button here. So this is how you can create longer videos using Veo in Google Flow.